Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So I have the Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch and you can see how good this smartwatch is, and obviously you can see the brightness of the smartwatch. The brightness is so high that this is actually, I am keeping the watch in the least brightness possible. You can see the brightness is absolutely in the lower side and it can get really bright. But today I will be discussing on something different, and I will be discussing on one app with which you can measure the distance between two objects, or you can also get the reading when you want to measure something with your smartwatch itself. And this is a really great tool to have on your smartwatch, and very few smartwatches has this type of app. I am talking about a ruler app which you can download on this watch, and the ruler app works really interestingly. You can see the ruler app is right there and it comes with the name mini ruler. So this is the app and with which you can measure any distance directly from the smartwatch itself, and it comes with some of the features also. You can see there is a dark mode and a light mode first of all, and you can change the ruler to centimeter, to millimeter, to inch, anything. That means you can change the readings in this ruler. So if I just tap on this, you can see it has changed to inch, and if I am tapping on it once more, it is changing it to centimeter. So very interesting app and a really amazing app to have on your smartwatch. And there are some other features like you can measure the length or the distance horizontally or vertically. So if you are measuring something like what is the length of your hand, you can do this with the help of the watch itself, or anything where you want to get the distance or measure the length or breadth, everything you can do on this watch. So definitely these are the functions, and there is another function with which you can keep the screen on so that you can measure it for an definite amount of time and get the readings properly on this smartwatch. So definitely this is something you should be installing on this Amazfit Active Edge. And let's say how you can install this app on the watch. So to install this app, you need to obviously open your Zap app, which is the official app for your Amazfit watches. Once you have connected it, you need to go to the profile section, and here you will get the watch, and in the watch you will get the app store. So in the app store you will get a lot of apps in there, and this app is absolutely free, and definitely you can install the mini ruler app. So this is the app which I am talking about, mini ruler. You just need to click on the install option and it will get installed on your Amazfit Active Edge. Once it is installed, it is right now the time to use this app to get the measurement or readings from your smartwatch itself. We will get the app on the app list only, and you can see the mini ruler will be directly on the app list. So you need to open it and use it according to your choice or according to the way you want to use the mini ruler. So definitely this is something really crazy to have on your Amazfit Active Edge smartwatch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you about this new app which you can have on your Amazfit Active Edge. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.